Welcome back to ThisBytesForYou. You might have been using a PC now for quite some time, and no matter what you do, browse the web, play a game, edit videos, render videos, do workstation type applications, everything is going to consume a ton of memory. Memory management aside, your PC is starving for memory. So with the latest build that I'm doing, an AMD build you see back there, I've got the final piece to the puzzle to bring it all together to start my build. Today I'm going to bring you an unboxing for the Patriot Viper RGB series DDR4 16GB kit. Actually, it's a 32GB kit. Well, it's not really a 32GB kit, it's two 16GB kits, which is not generally recommended, but I couldn't find a 32GB kit of 4133 MHz memory with the RGBs. But anyway, come over here and let's start doing the unboxing, see what's inside, and I'll talk you through all the features, specs, and all that good stuff. All right, so here she is again, or here they are again. Patriot Viper RGB series DDR4 two 16GB kits for 32 gigs at 4133 MHz with black heat shields. These are RGB sticks of memory. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox one real quick for now. So along the box, we can see the black heat shields right over here, and then all the RGB with the Viper logo. Viper RGB dual channel DDR4 technology, 16 gigs. Now this is compatible with Gigabyte RGB Fusion, Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light Sync, ASRock Polychrome Sync. Now, if your system does not have any of these kind of RGB controls or software that you can utilize, that's okay. Patriot has their own RGB software, so if you can't control it through any of these, you can control it through the software they have on their website. All right, and then along the back, just some marketing stuff, and then everywhere you can follow them. Very important, this has a lifetime warranty. That's awesome. It's also RoHS compliant. So just open it along the bottom, and nothing else in here. Now, keeping the memory aside just for right now, here they're going to show you how to install the memory. And then thank you for ordering, or thank you for your purchase. Patriot Viper's gaming RGB memory was designed and manufactured for extreme performance. Now, I'm going to be honest. When I ordered these, I was not only impressed by the speed, I was impressed by the low CAS latencies. Wow, 15-15-36 or 15-15-15-36. I didn't realize that those were the base JEDEC standard timings. The tested timings at 4133 are actually 19-21-21-41. But don't worry, we're going to be overclocking these as well in the upcoming build and in the video. So stay tuned on that. Now, it comes with two profiles, one for 4133 MHz and profile number 2 for 4000 MHz. It also brings a Viper gaming sticker. All right, and now we get to the memory itself. All right, so then pretty basic really. We got the chromed out Viper logo, and it's not really, oh yeah, it is kind of chromed out. All right, and that is a sticker though, but anyway, then we have the model number and the date and lot code, all that good stuff. Now over here is where the RGB lighting is going to be on the memory. This has 5 customizable RGB zones. So you can, set it any which way, and I'll show you that in the installation video as well. And the software is incredibly easy to use. And I think it was like 40 megs or something real tiny. Now just opening them all up, putting them together. All right, so then here are all 4. Move them over here. Now this is an aluminum heat spreader. So to keep the memory nice and cool, if you do overclock it incredibly high, and then of course with your own system fans as well blowing over the memory, keeping the aluminum nice and cool. The part number for this is PVR416G413C9K. Kind of odd, the C9K. Kind of would think a cast latency of 9. But anyway, I'm kind of rambling on about the cast latency. 32 gigs of beautifulness right there. In my next video for this RAM, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install it, how to configure it, and then how to utilize the RGB software using only the Patriot software. But then in another video, I'll show you how to use it along with the Asus RSync on the Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Hero motherboard. This will be an AMD platform, so stay tuned. In that video, I'm also going to show you how to build it from the ground up, how to install Windows, how to install all the drivers, and how to configure it. So an awesome how-to guide on how to get you up and running. All right, my friends, again, this is Iggy with ThisBytesForYou doing an unboxing of the Patriot Viper RGB series DDR4 16GB kit. 2 kits for a total of 32 gigs at 4133 megahertz with the black heat shields. Iggy out. See you guys.